Hi, how is everybody doing? This is Barry and welcome to Gravesite Tours. I've been so excited here about getting this channel going. Can't hardly stand it. I was going to go out and do a cemetery walk today, but it was 1 degree and I'm a little bit of a chicken, but I'm going to get better, I promise. I did get a lot of stuff in the mail today and I wanted to do a quick video and show you my, I plan on doing a lot of headstone cleanings this year. So I wanted to show you some stuff I got in the mail here. This is called D2. It's a biological solution. It is the number one, I'm told that's the number one solution for cleaning headstones. It's approved by the federal government for all the, I think they use this at Arlington National Cemetery for all those. So not only did I get this one today, I plan on doing a lot of graves. I've got a gallon jug, and we'll get more if we have to. Hold on, let me reach over here. This is called Tampico. This brush here, it's a soft bristle brush for cleaning headstones. I also got another hand one there. These are supposed to be really do no damage, do no harm to the headstones. So got 2 brushes today. I got two scrapers, and I got all this from AtlasPreservation.com. I'll try to put a link down there at the bottom. I bought a brush. This is a little bit harder, but it's still pretty soft for like getting into lettering and stuff. And I bought this one here, although it's a little bit stiffer. Let me know if you use this one. I'm gonna be careful with this one, but this one this is like a toothbrush. I don't have any problems with that. But anyways, I plan on doing a lot of cemetery walks, a lot of famous people I want to do, a lot of not so famous people. I've got a new microphone coming, so hopefully that I sound better. That should be here tomorrow, so I'm excited about that. So I've spent some money here to try to provide more quality video, and I'd appreciate it if you like, comment, subscribe. But yeah, this kit here, really the only thing that I'm needing is like a caddy to carry this stuff in. I probably won't carry the gallon jug. I'll probably just carry this, with a spray bottle. I need a caddy and a sprayer to hose down the stones. Other than that, I think I'm pretty well good to go as far as that. So if you like cleaning headstones and you got experience about it, give me a comment below. There's two people that I really rely on for their expertise. One is the manufacturer. This is a Magnolia, by the way, Magnolia brush. But Atlas Preservation, I really trust their videos on cleaning stones, and Honor Your DNA. I will link those below. Those two seem to know what they're doing when it comes to restoring headstones, and that's about it. I hope, like I said, I hope you comment, subscribe. I want to grow this channel for all of us, and I'm excited about it because it keeps me off this couch. So I'll see you later. Bye.